Alright guys, it's time to put us a new drinking faucet in. A brand actually sent me this nice, much more solid, much more heavy faucet than my current version. I have like 7 filters underneath this sink, and this is the one that they installed it with, and you see it's all flimsy. It has this little button here that I really don't enjoy. It's not very elegant looking versus this one. See if I can get you a close-up of it. This is how this one looks. Much more solid. This isn't plastic or anything. And this is very solid, and it's actually pretty heavy. So I know whenever I install this thing, it's going to be a lot more sturdy than this current one. So I'm going to go ahead and get it installed, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Before I do that, I wanted to show you guys the hardware that it comes with. So we have a nice brass ring with rubber underneath, a rubber O-ring, the nut to tighten it from the bottom, and then the water connections that you're going to connect the water hose with. So that's what's in the box. Now let me go ahead and take this one out, install the new one. So make sure you slip on your ring right here. This one right here is what's going to go on top. You're going to have the brass part up towards this. So this grabs onto the granite. Put it down in there. Just like that. Now we're going to go down below and tighten it up. This is the final result. What I really like about this, not only is it much more solid, you see this thing's not going anywhere, it's not going to move anywhere, it looks a lot better, but the best part, if you go back to the front of the video whenever I was using this one, you can see it kind of squirted out. It never came out in a nice solid stream. And I just tried this one before I started this video, or this portion of the video, and it comes out nice solid one stream. Watch. Check that out. So much more smooth. If you go back and look at, and that's just barely on, it actually has a lot more pressure as well. But if you go back and look at the front of the video, you see how much this one squirts. Going from this to this, hands down, easy decision. Very happy with it. Show you how fast it actually comes out. Cut it off. I'll give you a little close-up of it real fast. That's how it looks installed. Nice, flat, no spaces or anything like that. So yeah, thumbs up for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.